students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to know about determiners. Now what are determiners? Determiners are a group of words that determine or limit the meaning of a noun or a noun phrase in a sentence. For example, we are going for a picnic tomorrow. Now this is the determiner and this is the noun, and this determiner limits the meaning of the noun picnic. Now the second example, Priya is my younger sister. Now here my is determiner and Priya is your younger sister, and this determiner limits the meaning of the noun younger sister. Please distribute these sweets among your friends. Here there are two determiners, these and your, and the nouns are sweets and friends. And determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make it clear what the noun refers to. The determiners are always placed in front of the noun. Now here, can I have some chocolate, please? Now here, chocolate is the noun and some is the determiner. And this determiner placed in front of the noun. That dog is barking again. Here, dog is the noun and that is the determiner. Which book are you reading now? Now here, book is the noun and which is the determiner. Now these determiners can be specific or general. A determiner fixes or limits the meaning of a noun or a noun phrase, showing whether a phrase is definite, indefinite or negative. Now, what is general determiner? What are the general determiners? General determiners are used in noun phrase when we are talking about people or things in an indefinite way. Not definite, not particular, indefinite. Determiners like much, many, some and few are general or indefinite determiners. Now, what are specific determiners? Specific determiners are used in noun phrase when we are talking about specific people or things. Determiners like this, mine, the and those are specific. And no is the negative determiner. Here the examples of general, specific and negative determiner. First, I received many gifts on my birthday. I don't know how many gifts. General determiner. This determiner is general determiner. Those pens are kept on the table. Now this those is specific determiner. Those pens, we are talking about the pen which are placed on the table. So this is specific determiner. Next example, I have no information about Rohit, and this is negative determiner. Now these determiners are specific and general. Now determiners can be categorized as follows. First, articles. These things come under determiner. Articles, demonstratives, possessive, distributive, quantifier, number expressions, interrogative. First, articles. What are come under article? Now, a, an, the, etc. Then demonstrative, this, that, these, those. Possessive, my, our, your, his, her, their, etc. Distributives, each, every, etc. Number, number expressions, quantifiers. Example, another, many, some, few, a lot of, several, then cardinal numbers 1, 2, etc. These are number expressions and quantifiers. Then interrogatives, what, which, etc. Now, these are the determiners. Now, a determiner and an adjective can be differentiated. Don't misunderstood that the determiner can be an adjective. It could be differentiated. For the example, our new house is magnificent. Here, this R is determiner, but this new is adjective. New is adjective and R is determiner. So, now adjective. How could you differentiate between adjective and determiner? First of all, adjective. An adjective qualifies a noun. He is a quiet boy. And quiet is the quality of the boy. Here, quiet is an adjective. Now, a determiner limits the meaning of a noun. When an adjective qualifies a noun, a determiner limits the meaning of a noun. Most boys love watching cricket. Now, this most limits the meaning of the boys. Most doesn't qualify boys. Now, next, adjective. An adjective placed before the noun or as a complement of a noun. Just like that. Fat book. The book is fat. Here, this is adjective. And the book is fat. And here, this is used as the complement of a noun. But this is also an adjective. But a determiner can come only before a noun. Few boys. Boys, a noun, and few is the determiner. Few boys. Second goal. Here, second is the determiner. Then, adjective. An adjective comes after a determiner. Some good books were gifted. Here, some is the determiner and good is the adjective. As I told you, an adjective comes after a determiner. So here, this adjective good comes after the determiner. Our determiner precedes other adjectives that accompany it. Determiners can have different positions relative to one another. Many nice paintings, some great men, etc. Then, here, give me a glass of water. Now, here, A is determiner and it is known as article. Is this your house? Here, your is the determiner and it is known as possessive. That girl is a very good dancer. Here, that is the determiner and it is known as demonstrative. Every student should be attentive. Here, every is the determiner and it is known as distributive. Every student should be attentive in class. Few people were standing there. Here, few is the determiner and it is known as quantifiers. Whose book is this? Now here, whose is the determiner and it is interrogative. Whose book is this? This is all about determiner. Thank you.